A week ago, I embarked on a mission to launch a new YouTube Shorts channel with the ambitious goal of monetizing it within 30 days. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did during the past week, so you can create your own Shorts channel the right way. Day 1. Building the foundation. On day 1, I began by researching a niche for my channel. You've got two main choices, an entertainment niche or an educational niche. I opted for entertainment. Why? Because it's easier to grow and doesn't require a large fan base to succeed. Next, I had to decide between two content strategies, repurposed content or original content. I chose repurposed content, so my next task was to find viral entertainment videos I could repackage. Here's how I did it. I opened YouTube in an incognito window and scrolled through the Shorts feed for about an hour, analyzing which types of videos were going viral. But here's the key. It's not just about likes. You need to pay close attention to the views to likes ratio. This indicates high engagement and viral potential without the need for a built-in audience. I identified the top 20 most viral shorts, then analyzed those to find the most popular niches within that set. This strategy is critical for pinpointing content that will thrive and help you grow fast. Stay tuned to learn the next steps. After analyzing countless viral shorts, it became clear that the sports niche dominated the landscape, leading me to confidently choose sports as my focus. I decided to hone in on football, the world's most popular sport, giving me the highest chances of success. Finding the right type of viral content in your chosen niche is crucial. Your existing knowledge will make it easier to grow your channel. To determine if your niche has a high search volume and manageable competition, you can use tools like vidIQ. Alternatively, if you prefer a hands-on approach, start by searching key terms within your niche and filtering for videos published this week. Look closely at their views to likes ratio to gauge engagement. Additionally, checking Google Trends will provide insight into whether your niche is currently trending. However, if this is your first venture into niche research, using vidIQ will simplify the process immensely. I'll leave a link in the description for you to explore it further. Join me on this journey as we uncover the secrets to successfully launching a sports-focused Shorts channel. I kicked off my channel journey by brainstorming a few catchy names with the help of ChatGPT. The name you choose for your channel is crucial. It reflects the quality and niche of your content, so pick something simple and memorable. Once I settled on a name, the next step was to create a logo and banner for my channel. I opted for Photoshop, which runs about $20 a month, but if that doesn't fit your budget, don't worry. There are excellent free alternatives like Photopea and Canva, which can deliver fantastic results for simple designs. For instance, here's the logo I created in Photoshop compared to one I made using Photopea. It's essentially an online replica of Photoshop. Before diving into content creation, I dedicated several hours to a deep analysis of what's working in the sports niche, examining everything from video types and editing styles to the most effective titles. This foundational research set the stage for my success, and it can do the same for you. Join me as we explore the ins and outs of building a thriving YouTube Shorts channel. I chose to create a channel dedicated to showcasing the best football moments because this content is currently trending and appeals to a wide audience. Not just die-hard football fans, people love watching jaw-dropping goals even if they're not familiar with the players involved. Now it's time to create your first short. Personally, I rely on After Effects because I'm well-versed in it, but you have plenty of options. Premiere Pro is great, and there are free alternatives like CapCut. Just search online for free software that works best for you and your skills. To find the most captivating football moments to feature in my shorts, I watch long-form videos that have high engagement. After finding a standout clip, I make sure to track down the original video by searching for the one I just viewed. This step is crucial. Using the original source ensures higher quality and eliminates any watermarks that could ruin your short. Join me on this journey to discover how to curate thrilling football content that captivates viewers. To elevate your shorts and avoid any issues with reused content, you'll want to download videos using a reliable YouTube MP4 downloader. Simply search for YouTube MP4 downloader on Google, and I'll include a link to the one I use in the description below. It's crucial to add your own edits. Otherwise, your content may get flagged, preventing you from monetizing your hard work, something we definitely want to avoid. In my case, I'm focusing on creating a funny or thought-provoking twist on content that I didn't originally produce. Make sure your shorts fall within this creative realm to stay in the clear. On day one, I dedicated several hours to researching my niche, setting up my channel, and crafting my first short. How much time you invest will largely depend on your existing skills. Since I have substantial experience in producing YouTube shorts for my agency, I can whip them up much more quickly. Join me as I guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your own successful channel. On day two, I took the plunge and posted my first short, setting a clear goal to consistently upload one short each day. The key takeaway: the more shorts you post, the greater your chances of achieving long-term success, as each video is a potential viral hit. However, it's essential to strike a balance. Your audience wants to enjoy a variety of content, so aim for 1 to 3 shorts daily and you'll be on the right track. From days 3 to 7, I dedicated my time to experimenting with different content within my chosen niche and trying out innovative editing techniques, all in preparation to capitalize on the viral trends I was discovering. Each new short presents an opportunity for improvement, and that's the ultimate goal: to learn and enhance your craft continuously. One crucial aspect to focus on is audience retention, the most vital metric for your shorts, as it indicates how much of your video viewers are actually watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, where I'll unveil my detailed editing process, ensuring you can create the best shorts possible and build a profitable business from your passion. Within a month or 30 days, the results are clear. You can pinpoint what works and what doesn't, allowing you to double down on the content that drives success and create even more viral shorts. Now let's dive into the results from my first week of posting on this channel. On day one, I saw only minimal views, but by day two, I experienced a slight uptick in engagement. The watch hours graph mirrored this trend, showing a slow and steady climb. However, my swipe to watch ratio is still quite low, a metric I'm determined to improve in the coming weeks. As I've mentioned before, the first month is all about optimizing your content for long-term success. Remarkably, I peaked at an impressive 11,000 views in a single day. Each of my shorts garnered significant views within the first hour, but then the numbers flattened out. This phenomenon is completely normal for new shorts channels, as YouTube is in the process of testing different audiences to find the perfect fit for your content. So don't be discouraged. This is just part of the journey, and I'm here to share every step with you. Let me take you behind the scenes and reveal how my shorts performed on another channel, both before and after YouTube found the right audience for my content. Initially, I averaged around 7,000 to 9,000 views per video, with likes ranging from 300 to 500. Fast forward to today, and I'm now raking in an impressive 10,000 views and likes on my shorts, all within just over a month of starting that channel. But here's the catch: if your shorts aren't gaining traction, it could be due to a flaw in the content or simply because YouTube hasn't yet pushed it into the algorithm. Before you hit that delete or repost button, give it a few days. You don't want to prematurely remove a video that might still gain momentum. Remember, while these initial views may not seem astronomical, it's unrealistic to expect explosive growth in views and subscribers during your first week of posting. Stay patient and persistent. Success is just around the corner. Let me share a compelling example from my other channel. My most viral short took a staggering 15 days to be pushed into the algorithm. This experience drives home the importance of perseverance, which is why I encourage you to keep posting shorts on your channel, even if you initially receive 0 views. Remember, growth on YouTube is exponential, and any short you upload has the potential to go viral within just a few days. I'm committed to continuing this journey with a goal of monetizing my channel in the next 3 weeks, and I invite you to join me by subscribing. Here's a bonus tip: sharpen your content research skills by consuming content the right way. It may sound confusing, but here's how to do it. The next time you find yourself scrolling through YouTube, pause to reflect on what that specific channel did to achieve its current success. Consider how much time they invested, how many videos they uploaded, and how they generated ideas for their content. Dive deeper by analyzing their editing techniques, captivating hooks, and other elements that make their videos stand out. Starting out can be incredibly challenging, but with consistent practice, you'll expand your perspective in no time. The next time you're analyzing a short, remember, scrolling isn't a waste of time if you're doing it with intention. Here's bonus tip number 2. Don't fixate on views and likes. Yes, you heard that right. In the early stages, views and likes aren't the end all be all. The number of views can vary significantly across different niches, so what truly matters is extracting lessons from every short you create and using that knowledge to improve your next one. Also, keep in mind that YouTube may not push your content into the algorithm immediately, just like mine didn't. This leads us to bonus tip number 3. Achieving overnight success often takes days, and let me tell you, it's a lesson I learned the hard way. Remember when I mentioned that my most viral video took over 15 days to be pushed into the algorithm? Well, that same video has now surpassed a staggering 2.5 million views. But here's the twist. After uploading that video, I went silent for 21 days and didn't post anything else. Life got in the way, and I nearly abandoned the channel. Yet, during that time, something remarkable happened. The views started climbing on their own. This is a powerful reminder that while you can't control the number of views you get, you can control the quality of the content you create. I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle with Shorts or YouTube in general? Share it in the comments and I'll do my best to help in future videos. But hold on, there's even more to come. In my next video, I'll reveal the top strategies to boost your side hustle profits even further. You definitely won't want to miss it. Stay tuned and ciao for now.